Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing today. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is learning about skin tones, and you guys going to see me create my self-portrait, which took me like forever to do finally, but I finally done it and I really love how it came out. I decided to turn myself into like an elf seer that's in her community, so she like people will go to her to see the future and stuff like that. So that's what I decided to turn myself into. And I really love the color palette and how I captured my energy and essence into this. And I'm really glad you guys over on Twitter loved how it came out. So yeah, and also these are like the products I'm going to be using. I decided to use these like red butterflies. They're so freaking cute because it was based off the look that I was doing that was referenced in this photo to use, in this painting to use. So yeah, but if you guys didn't know, my name is Nadi. I am a root worker witch who loves to create black women as supernatural beings. So if that's something you're into, and I also make like lifestyle videos and spirituality videos. So if that's something you're into, definitely like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more from me. But yeah, into the actual video. So when it comes to doing skin colors, there are three to four main colors that you want to use. So the three basic colors are blue, red, yellow, and then like an honorable mention is Payne's gray. So for Payne's gray, I use it to make like a very deep skin tone. As you can see, the cool tone one that's on the very end, that's what I use Payne's gray for, and it really like brings the piece together. Some people use blue, but I find that blue just doesn't really do the job that I want it to do when I create skin tones on a darker scale, especially if they're cool tone. So if you want a lighter skin tone, you would probably just mix red and yellow together, and make sure if you want to saturate it, and you do a little bit more red, but if you want it a little bit more desaturated, you just add a little bit more yellow. And if you guys would like to like neutralize that saturation, you will add some blue into it. But if you want to make it deep and dark, you will add the blue, yellow, and red, and Payne's gray. And depending on what undertone you would like the skin to be, you will add more yellow and red, or you'll just add more blue and Payne's gray. Hope that helps a little bit. Yeah, I only did a little intro to skin tones because I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. Next time I'll do like an in-depth tutorial, but yeah, now I'm just showing you guys how I paint darker skin using those skin tones colors. So when you do paint darker skin, and when you paint skin in general, you got to use like multiple colors because skin itself has multiple colors. So you just don't want to use like one flat, unless that's the style you're going for. You don't want to use like just one flat color. You want to use like multiple colors that is based around the skin tone of the undertone you're going for. So say if the undertone is yellow, make sure you add some yellow into the skin tone palette, and yellow in by itself. Or if you're trying to do it more on like the cool tone, you add in some more blues and purples, just like in random spots of the skin, to just like get it a little bit more live, bring some life to it. Because I noticed that when like in the beginning I used to just do very flat colors, it wasn't hitting like it hits now. Now it hits, but back then it wasn't really hitting. It wasn't giving me what I needed. So I learned how to add some more depth into my pieces, and boom, now my pieces are looking really good. I can't wait to learn more about skin tones because it's always something you can learn in art, and that's the one thing I really love about art. You can always learn something. There's always something to learn. So yeah, those are my tips and tricks on how to do skin and how to paint skin with watercolors, and how to mix skin with watercolors. So if you guys don't notice, I'm not under a very bright light. You know what that means? That means spring is on the way. I had to cover my windows because it's so cold in my room. So like I finally took off everything that covers the windows and like let in some light, and it just really boosted my mood, and I decided to create in the light for this piece. The way my window's set up, the sun don't really directly hit it, but I don't care. It's still, I just really love how non-harsh this video looks. Hopefully I can do more videos like this, because God knows I really love natural light so much. It's so pretty. So yeah, a little bit about this self-portrait. I decided it was kind of time to do one for the simple fact that I always wanted to create a self-portrait, but I never really loved myself enough the way I looked, or just in general, to create a self-portrait. I was like, I don't think I should be creating myself as a fantastical being, like, because I'm not. But over the past year and a half, I've learned to love myself unconditionally and see myself as the beautiful being that I am. So I decided to honor that by like creating me as one of the supernatural creatures that I draw. And I really glad that I did that, and I'm really glad that I have learned to love myself in such a way. So I think I'm going to do more self-portraits in the future maybe, but yeah, this is just the beginning of something that is so amazing for me, and it's such a milestone for me. And I hope you guys really enjoyed how she came out. I know the other day I was doing some random sketches of cute little beings like werewolf, orcs and stuff, and I was just like really getting to the zone, and I had to sit there and think, wow, I've really come so far. It's just amazing how far I came. So I hope you guys really enjoyed how she came out. Honestly, it took me back because I really used to love how to do monochromatic pieces, and I basically just use red and like this other color red throughout the whole piece. So yeah, honestly, if you guys want a self-portrait, my commissions are open. Just go to my email that's available in the description box below, because I would love to create you guys as something supernatural and ethereal, because that's my thing I love to do. Honestly, at the beginning of my journey, I used to despise doing portraits, but that was the only way I could have made money at the time. But I used to despise doing portraits, and for the simple fact that I wasn't as skilled as I am now. But I think I would absolutely love to create you guys as something beautiful and show you guys how beautiful you really are inside and out. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely hit me up. I would love to do that. I would love to create you into a little werewolf, or a little orc, or like a elf, or a fairy, or a mermaid. Ooh, I'm getting some ideas. Y'all better hit me up now. But yeah, I'm about to wrap this piece up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I really love that you guys stopped by. I hope you guys have an amazing Saturday. And remember that you're so beautiful. Okay? Bye. Mwah. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. It truly means the world to me. If you guys would like to see more from me, make sure to become a patron over my Patreon. You'll gain access to so many exclusive rewards your mind will like blow. Also, make sure to stop by my shop where I sell these gorgeous prints, these gorgeous stickers, apparel, merchandise, and so much more. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I want you guys to have a beautiful, abundant day. See you next time, babes.